If you were looking for the best V6 SUV to buy used right now, you are making one of the smartest financial and mechanical decisions of your life. Look around the automotive world today. The naturally aspirated V6 engine is practically extinct. Dealership lots are flooded with brand new SUVs carrying tiny, highly stressed 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinders. Manufacturers claim they do it for fuel economy, but any mechanic will tell you the truth. Those small engines work twice as hard, run significantly hotter, and carry complex turbo systems that can cost thousands to replace when they fail out of warranty. In this video, we are breaking down the absolute best used V6 options available today. Let's get started. At number 1. Toyota Highlander V6, 2014 to 2022. During this extensive run, the Highlander was equipped with Toyota's legendary 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine, known internally to automotive enthusiasts and mechanics as the 2GR engine family. This motor is widely considered by automotive platform Carfact to be one of the most reliable internal combustion engines ever engineered by human hands. The Highlander perfectly addresses mid-size family space requirements. It offers a highly versatile 3-row layout capable of carrying up to 8 passengers, though opting for second-row captain's chairs reduces that capacity to 7, while significantly improving access to the back row. From a financial standpoint, the Highlander V6 boasts an elite resale value. While that means you will pay a premium up front on the used lot compared to a domestic competitor, it also guarantees that the vehicle will hold its value beautifully when the time comes for you to sell it. It represents an incredibly low cost of ownership because it simply refuses to break down. Avoid the 2023 or newer base models if you strictly want a V6. In 2023, Toyota completely discontinued the V6 in the Highlander, replacing it with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. If you want that bulletproof 6-cylinder performance, your search window must close firmly at the 2022 model year. Beyond that, the Highlander V6 utilizes a durable timing chain, not a timing belt. This means you do not have to worry about preventative periodic timing set replacements. The chain is designed to last the entire lifespan of the engine, provided the previous owner changed the oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Coming in at number 2, Lexus RX 350, 2013 to 2022. If you buy a used BMW X5, an Audi Q7, or a Mercedes-Benz GLE out of warranty, you are playing Russian roulette with your bank account. Those vehicles feature complex air suspensions, fragile electrical networks, and over-engineered turbo systems that demand specialized, highly expensive mechanics. The Lexus RX 350 takes an entirely different engineering approach. Beneath its luxury sheet metal beats the exact same mechanical heart as the Toyota Highlander, the rock-solid 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine. This means you get a world-class luxury driving experience, but you can purchase replacement parts at a standard Toyota price point and service the vehicle at any local automotive shop. The third generation, closing out in 2015, is an absolute tank. It is not uncommon to see these vehicles rolling down the road with 250,000 miles on the odometer, with the owners only ever performing routine tire changes and brake service. If you step up to the fourth generation, from 2016 to 2022, you get a much more striking visual design and an updated interior. However, keep in mind that the RX 350 is primarily a 2-row, 5-passenger SUV. If you regularly need to transport more than 5 adults, stick with the Highlander or our next option from Honda. Additionally, because the RX 350 is tuned to deliver a buttery smooth ride, it is highly sensitive to routine fluid maintenance. Automotive experts stress that you should look for a pre-owned model with documented evidence of routine transmission fluid and differential fluid flushes. Coming in at number 3, Honda Pilot and Passport 2016 to 2022. While Toyota builds cars like structural fortresses, Honda focuses heavily on clever interior packaging and driving dynamics. Both of these SUVs are powered by Honda's celebrated 3.5-liter J-Series V6 engine. This naturally aspirated power plant produces 280 horsepower and delivers an incredibly linear, responsive throttle feel. It is paired with an available advanced all-wheel drive system known as IVT-M4. This is an exceptional torque vectoring system that can actively send power to individual rear wheels, making the Pilot and Passport highly capable in heavy snow, mud, and light off-road trail conditions. Unlike the Toyota and Lexus engines, which use maintenance-free timing chains, the Honda 3.5-liter J-Series V6 uses a timing belt. A timing belt is made of a reinforced rubber compound that degrades over time. Honda mandates that this belt be replaced every 100,000 miles or every 7 years. Because this engine is an interference design, if that timing belt snaps while you are driving, the pistons will slam into the valves, completely destroying the engine instantly. Replacing a timing belt along with the water pump and tensioners while the mechanic is inside the engine typically costs anywhere from $1,000 to $1,200. Therefore, when you are hunting for a used Honda Pilot or Passport on the second-hand market that has around 90,000 to 110,000 miles, you must look at the service records or check under the hood for a mechanic's replacement sticker. Coming in at number 4, Acura RDX V6 2013 to 2018. If you want an absolute bargain on the used market, what we call a true sleeper deal, you need to seek out the second-generation Acura RDX, built between 2013 and 2018. Most modern compact luxury crossovers feature high-strung 4-cylinder turbo engines that are expensive to maintain. But during this golden era, Acura dropped a massive, naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 straight out of the Honda Accord, right into this compact luxury frame, matching it with a dead simple, ultra-reliable 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle flies completely under the radar. Because its exterior styling is clean and understated rather than flashy, resale prices on the used market are incredibly reasonable. You get premium Acura leather seats, an exceptional ELS premium sound system, and legendary reliability for a fraction of what you would pay for a comparable Lexus or Toyota model of the same era. Mechanically, this generation of the RDX is incredibly easy to live with. It does not feature the complex, super-handling all-wheel drive system found in the larger MDX, nor does it have dual-clutch or modern 9-speed push-button transmissions that were plagued with early electronic software glitches. It uses a traditional mechanical shifter and a proven, robust luxury layout. Keep in mind, because this vehicle utilizes that exact same 3.5-liter Honda V6 architecture we just discussed, the exact same rules apply. It features a timing belt that requires replacement every 100,000 miles. Coming in at number 5, Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade 2020 to 2024. If your budget allows for a newer pre-owned vehicle, the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade from 2020 to 2024 are sensational choices. Mechanically identical underneath their outer body panels, these corporate siblings have consistently sat at the very top of their mid-size 3-row class, according to Edmunds Automotive Reviews. Instead of following the rest of the industry down the turbo four-cylinder rabbit hole, Hyundai and Kia outfitted these flagship family haulers with a muscular 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6, utilizing gasoline direct injection. This engine delivers 391 horsepower, providing an exceptionally quiet, modern, near-luxury family road trip experience. Kia and Hyundai are famous for offering a massive 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty on their new vehicles. But a major trap for used car buyers is that this 10-year warranty does not fully transfer to the second owner. If you buy a used Telluride or Hyundai Palisade from a private party or a non-franchised used car lot, that powertrain warranty automatically shrinks down to a 5-year or 60,000-mile warranty from the original in-service date. From a mechanical standpoint, these 3.8-liter V6 engines use a maintenance-free timing chain, which is excellent. However, because they utilize gasoline direct injection, or GDI, fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber under immense pressure. GDI engines are inherently prone to building up carbon deposits on the backside of the intake valves over time, because fuel doesn't wash over them to keep them clean. To prevent this carbon buildup from causing a loss of power or rough idling down the road, it is highly recommended to use top-tier fuel and have a certified shop perform an intake valve cleaning service every 30 to 40,000 miles. Finding the best V6 SUV to buy used comes down to balancing your personal budget, your luxury preferences, and how many seats your family truly needs. Which one of these V6 legends are you choosing? Let me know in the comments section below.